9:51 here. This was quite straightforward, right? This was 9:51 a.m. here. Let's see the timestamp. Once you're able to understand the teal and the pink liquidity, just building structure right there, right? Waiting out for that inverse head and shoulder pattern. So it's quite straightforward trade. Have you understood? I talked about this magenta as well. I will show you that in a while, how this market is capped in that magenta. But otherwise, you noticed that throughout the entire day, it was pink that was building liquidity and being capped by magenta. Still quite beautiful trades here if you manage to take some. Especially here, this was quite a beautiful trade as well. And you see how we started being capped by the magenta. I mean the pink. Penny perfect right there before we went down, digging a little deeper. And you see it for yourself here. When you understand magenta, and as I was showing you here, the tapering of magenta right there. Right, so this is 11:24. You already understood there was 11:24 was here. So you already understood that there was some form of magenta that's tapering in the range there, right? So this is no surprise to you as long as you are able to understand how to be identifying the algorithms, right? You see it for yourself right there. So it's quite straightforward, nothing new to you